Hey guys, I'm going to do a box reveal of our Fall Pash Packs, our box gift sets that are all our fall themed goodies, our new release for fall. You get a boxed gift set of all kinds of fall goodies, all fall themed. Every box is different, every box is unique. Comes with all kinds of things from clothing to mugs to some of our items from our Maker's Market, like our candles, bath and body products, the mugs. So I'm going to do some of the box reveals, and like I said, every box is different. You never know what you're going to get, but this is a good sneak peek and a good reveal of our Fall Pash Packs. These are our gift sets. They come in 3 different sizes: mini, mega, and ultimate. So hopefully you can see by the way I have this set up. So in this one, for instance, we have some coasters, the fall mug, some earrings, and everything will be packed nicely in the boxes with the crinkle papers so it doesn't move. It won't move in shipping. It comes nicely packaged, so if you're giving it as a gift set or sending it to someone to their door as a gift, you can guarantee that it will be nicely packed in the box with all the crinkle cut. And then once it's in the box, we close it up and we tie it up and tie it with a tag to make it look cute. So it's great for delivery and gifts and such. So, and we have some candles. And then this is our blanket scarf poncho that has the toggle button if you see it in the shop. So everything is packed in the box and comes straight to your door. So that's just one idea of some things you can get. But like I said, it could be random. You might not get a mug, you might get a candle, you might get bath and body products, you might get a poncho. Here's another idea of a gift set. Again, this is one of our mugs from our Maker's Markets. Family-owned business designs and makes all the mugs. There's a pair of cozy socks in there, all packed in the box, a pair of leggings, and one of our thermal front tie tops. When you're picking out your box, you're going to choose a clothing size in case your box comes with clothing in it. This would be an idea of one of the mega. No, this is the ultimate, I'm sorry, because it has the jewelry in it. So if you, for instance, are picking the ultimate gift set, you're going to get quite a few more goodies and some at a higher price point than others. Like this is the leather wrap bracelet with one of the sentiments on it. You get some home goods. This is one of the dish towels. Cute little things like the notepad, the keychains, a mug, hair accessories, jewelry, and a little succulent plant. So this is another idea. This has the flannel purse in it, the little flannel coin purse to match the flannel purse. A pair of earrings and a necklace, all with its own little gift box. So cute again for gift giving. This is our on-the-go box because you have your purse, you have a cute little outfit, and you have your travel stainless steel drink. It has the hair bandana, and it has one of our Basic Babes long sleeve V-neck tops. Again, these all vary. You pick your size, and we pick accordingly to what we think you may like or what we have on stock. So get them before all the fall goodies are gone. This one comes with a scarf, one of our canned koozies. Again, one of the travel cups, a bracelet, and a basic tee, our boyfriend V-neck basic tee. All comes boxed up. And 3 different sizes: mini, mega, and ultimate. And all of the price points there, it's $56, $66, and $86. Everything is bundled together to save you. It's a savings of over $30 retail value by boxing them together in this gift set. So they're great for a gift for yourself, gift for anybody else. Even if you get them now and save them for Thanksgiving for a hostess gift, or if you have any gatherings coming up or parties, great idea for gifts and treating yourself to some fall goodies, because it's a good opportunity to try a lot of our different products from the Pash Shop. Again, you get a selection of clothing, accessories, things from our Maker's Market, like homemade goods, like the candles and bath and body products and mugs. So great opportunity to try a lot of different things, and you save big on trying these things. So just go to pashshop.com and shop the Fall Pash Packs.